Now today I tell you how to draw tri-surface plot in Python using Matplotlib. How to draw? It's depend on our technology. So first, tri-surface plot in Python using Matplotlib. A tri-surface plot is a type of surface plot created by triangulation of compact surface of finite number of triangle which cover the whole surface in a manner that each and every point on the surface is a triangle. The intersection of any two triangle results is void or a common edge of vertex. So this type of plot is created where the evenly sample grids are restrictive and inconvenient in plot. Generally, tri-surface plot are created by calling xplot.trisurf function of Matplotlib library. So some of attribute suppose xyz dataset as a 1D array to be plotted. Colors of the surface patches. Cmap color map to set the color of surface patches. Norm parameter to normalize map values of colors. Vmin minimum value of map, maximum value of map, and attribute to shade the placeholder. So now we'll write a code of that one tri surface. So first import required and do one thing. If your Matplotlib is not working, just install Matplotlib, then you can do it. So first from MPL toolkits import mplot3d. Okay, so when you want to plot 3D, so you are just use mplot3d method. Now second, import numpy as np for numerical calculations. Now import matplotlib dot py pyplot as plt. So header files will have to open. Then next is that creating data set. So we are just creating data set. We have to create data set. How can we create data set? First one, suppose I am taking a variable of value like that z. Yeah, either we can call it a is goes to np dot line space. Okay, now first value 0 and second 70,000 70,000 and then 100 I am taking over here, and the second b variable is we are taking, and np dot sign of a, then c is equals to np dot cos of a. Okay, so after creating this we have to create a plot figure. So how can we create? First just figure, then plt dot figure, and figure size equals to bracket 20,9. okay, yeah, 20,12 we are taking. Okay, is depend on yours, so you can take. Now axis is goes to plt dot axis, and then projection keyword. Okay, axis, and then projection equals to 3D. Okay, so projection of it should be 3D. Now we have to create a plot. Okay, so figure already we created, now we are creating plot. Axis dot plot trisurf. Okay, trisurf, in that case a comma b comma c comma line, line width, this is parameter 0.3 I am taking, and nt alias we are taking just like a true, it should be a true. Okay, and then terminate, and then after we have to show plot. जो प्लॉट हमने बनाया उसको शो करना पड़ेगा, plt.show, and then save your file and give the name and then execute. So now let's see, you can see that tri-surface plot is over here, and according to this up to 70,000 in Python. If you like that code, just share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.